The garden with Miss Amber, and I've got my mask on to keep me safe and to keep her safe. Today we're going to read a book about planting the garden, and then we're going to plant some plants, and hopefully they're grown by the time we get back together. So Lola plants a garden. Lola loves her book about garden poems. Her favorite poem is the one about Mary Mary. Lola wants to plant a garden. Mommy says there's no room near the vegetables. Lola gets books about gardens from the library. She chooses her favorite flowers from the book. Mommy makes a list. They go to the garden store and buy some seeds. Lola makes her own flower book while she waits. Mommy tapes Mary Mary poem and Lola glues it in. Lola makes a string of bells. She finds shells and some old beads. She even makes a little Mary Mary. One day, Lola sees a tiny green seed shoot up. She pulls up the weed so that the shoots can grow. Lola's flowers grow bigger. They open up to the sun. Daddy helps Lola hang shiny bells. Lola finds Mary Mary a special spot. It's just perfect. Orel, Ben, and Ty are coming to see Lola's garden. Lola and Mommy make cupcakes. Lola wears her flower shirt. Mommy helps Lola with her hair. Lola's friends love everything about the garden. They share the crunchy peas and sweet strawberries that Mommy grew. Then Lola makes up a story about Mary Mary. What kind of garden will Lola plant next?